Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and this is Excel lesson 26, save time through macros. So coming to my data sheet. So this is the data. I'm using the data which I've used in my previous lesson 9.1 because you are familiar with it, and I would request you to kindly go through this whole session so you could have a good grip on it. And you can see that there are item quantity expenditure units, and the story of today is that you on daily basis are receiving this data for day one. This is data day two. There are basically three sheets for your convenience. I have made three sheets, and I've zoomed it, and on day three this is your data, and you can clearly see that the uh, especially the background color and the font colors are changed in all the 3 days. The person who is sending them is basically either from the different regions, from the different districts, from the different areas, and they are basically sending this data in different background colors and with different font colors. So what you need to do is you have so many tasks to do. You are juggling with different tasks and you have quite a busy day. So you need to have a sort of magic stick you want to have to just raise it, and you could have data on a standard format. First, we would draw a standard format, and then we basically apply the macros. So how you can basically apply the macros? First, you need to see on your task bar. See the menu bar. I'm sorry, the menu bar. On menu bar, you don't have the tab. You need a tab, and that tab the name is developer. So developer tab is missing. So first, you need to click on your ribbon here, where my mouse is. So see, there is customize the ribbon. Click this customize the ribbon, and now you can see that here after review and view both or the above checkbox are checked, while developer checkbox is unchecked because normally people don't use it. So I would check it. See, I've checked it, and then I pressed OK. So now you can see the developer the developer tab has appeared on the menu bar. So I would click it. So after clicking it, you see that there is this button, this tab, that is basically the sub tab. You would say, you can say the record macro. You can basically now click this record macro, click it, and it's asking for the name. It's macro 6. You can write formatting. See, and you can write description of it, why you are doing it, but I'm not going into that detail. I just wrote formatting here and then clicked OK. And then now see, it has started recording. Now first what you need to do is you need to change the background of this. Go to home, background of the header, make it like blue. The white is already there, the font color is white is there. If it's not there, you can basically also check the font color to white, and then change the font background color of the remaining data, make it like white. So now it's looking quite exactive. It's giving an exactive look. Now you can basically made a chart of it that would basically depict the quantity and the expenditure. So shift down arrow key, select the item, then right key quantity, and then select the expenditure, and then we can basically go on insert, and then we can simply go on this insert combo chart, and we can go on the second option, that is clustered column. line on secondary axis. So press OK. So see, the chart has appeared. Delete the chart title. You won't need it. So now you have chart in front of it, in front of your site. So now you can basically see that this, you can reduce the size of it a bit. So you can see the, you can see the table quite easily. Now you can see it, unzoom it. Okay. So now you can basically stop the macro, stop recording, stop recording. See, now what you can do next is you can basically insert a button here. See, this is the button. You can insert the button here. And you can basically assign the macro to the button, this formatting. Otherwise, you can run it directly. You don't basically need the button. Button is not necessary, but I'm just telling you an advanced option. So you can basically make it look bit better. And third person, if you're not there, he or she can basically use this button to apply, to run the macro. So otherwise, you can basically drag run the macro from here. See the macro formatting is here, and you can directly run it from here. So to check this, just delete it, delete the chart. See, delete the chart and click this button and this Visual Basic basically dialog, and see the chart is in front of you. Unzoom it a bit so you can see both the chart and the table. And now what you want to do is you can basically directly you can apply it on day 2 and day 3, because this macro is for the whole workbook. It's not specifically for this worksheet, it's for the whole workbook. So it's basically available for the other sheets too. So what you can do is you can simply copy this this button 3, and you can copy this button here at day 2. Simply paste it, see, paste it, and now you can basically click it and see, and debug and see. By with only one click, you have not only changed the whole picture, the whole scenario. You can basically, you have changed the formatting of this table, you have changed the format of this table, but also the chart has appeared beneath this table. So you can do the same with the next day 3. Again, right click, first copy it, because go to get day 2, copy it, and you can paste it here, paste, see, and first click outside the button, then you can operate it. And you can also change its name to edit text, change formatting, change to formatting. Okay, and now click it and see, and this box, and see, you can basically check it easily that this meat is quantity 40. So the quantity is basically, the quantity is 40. See, the meat quantity is 40, and the expenditure is 12,100. 12,100. So expenditure is 12,000, above 10,000 and below 15, and it's 12,100. So it's beautiful. It's use it And other thing I want to show is that basically the whole programming is going on behind this recording macro, which is done by Excel itself. Like if you press edit, so this see the whole code is behind this. So this has been basically done by Excel itself, and this is the very short and very precise and very good option to use. So I would request you that if you have liked this session, then kindly please press the like button, subscribe to my channel so you could have more videos like this, and share my channel with others so they can also have the good information with them. Thank you very much for watching.